Lashes with Lee. We're doing them very natural, very demois. So y'all check out this tutorial. These are the same lashes I used on the airplane when I went to San Jose. I'm only doing this set in 10 millimeters. I wanted to have something to look like when I went to the Black August in the Park. So we're starting with clean lashes first, and then we're going to go in with the bond that comes with the lashes, and we're going to gently take our time and put them on every strand. If you get this glue on your skin, use something like coconut oil in a pad to remove it. So when I'm applying the lashes, I'm holding them at a tip with the tweezers, and I'm holding my natural eye up, and I'm looking into a mirror. I have like a body mirror in front of me, but a facial mirror under your chin, and looking underneath is better so you can make sure that you aligning it and lining them nice and straight. So apply them right next to each other. You see this one's kind of crooked. It's kind of hard to use a body mirror, so use a small facial mirror so you can align them perfectly, and make sure when you're applying them that you're applying them just above your lash line. You do not want to put it all the way to the very tip of where your lashes start to grow. You want to give it a little space so your lashes can breathe. And once you do that, you want to brush your lashes out, squeeze them in with the tweezers, and seal them. And you're all done, ladies. Okay, bye.